So today I have the key to the 2021 Toyota RAV4, and I'm going to showcase how to swap out the battery in your key fob. So first off, grab your key fob, locate this little switch on the back. You're going to slide it over to the right. You'll see there's a little arrow on it as well, telling you what direction to slide it. So take your little fingernail, hold it over there, and pull up on the manual key. So there's a manual key that's hidden in there. So you pulling this to the side will release the ability to pull the key out. And in there, you'll see that there's a slot for the little edge of the manual key to slide in. Right about there. Give you a close look if I can. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide the manual key in that slot and then twist up or down, your choice I guess, but it will split the key into two pieces. I'm doing it a little gently. So it will split the key in two pieces, revealing basically the main board in the middle, which is where the buttons all interact with the board, but I'm trying to hold it inside for you. So that reveals the battery, which is a Panasonic CR2450, as you can see right here. So I do not need to swap out the battery, so I'm going to leave it in there, but you would just pop it out, replace it as needed. When you do replace it, try not to touch the other side that does not have the Panasonic or whatever brand you buy print on it, because that can limit the life of the battery. So I always try to remember to tell folks to not do that. So let's pretend you've swapped out the battery, put it back in, and you're going to basically do the reverse. So basically clamshell it together until you hear some audible clicks. And just go all the way around. And then slide your manual key back in. You're going to hear a click. And that's how easy it is. So you will not need to recode the key to the vehicle or anything of that nature. It will remember that it's your key. You're just simply swapping out the battery. Hope you liked this quick video showcasing how to swap out your battery in your 2021 Toyota RAV4 key fob. Thanks for watching.